Okay, the biggest thing when you clean up is you want to make sure that you're not cross-contaminating with your beans or your coleslaw or dairy products. So again, you're going to get all of your items and make sure that you run them through either a really hot dishwasher or clean them really good with soap and water. We're going to use our sanitizing solution. We always sanitize all of our cutting boards every night. We bleach them. They have to be plastic cutting boards. We can't use wood in the restaurant business because little food particles and pores get in there and they fester. So we also run this through the dishwasher. Okay, and then we have our products cleaned up. The biggest thing that you want to remember is leaving food out. You never want to leave food out. You have a 4-hour window. So if you are traveling somewhere and you don't have a cooler or something, you have to have it cooled or heated within 4 hours. To cool the product down, you want to make sure it's below 40, and then to warm it up, it always needs to be at 165.